What's up guys, James with Jackalman Games and Fanatix here to bring you a look at a brand new feature that we have in the store. You may have heard recently that we set up an account with tcgplayer.com to get all of our card inventory up on their website. What that means for you is that we've got two new ways for you to interact. We've got the new kiosk system in store as well as this website that you see in front of you. So if you ever want to see what we have in stock without making a trip up to the store first, you can sit down at your computer and go to fanatix.tcgplayerpro.com and it'll bring this up to you. You can search right here at the top for any particular card that you might be looking for. You can check out any relevant links that we might have posted on our banners. You can also check out any best sellers that TCG Player posts up so that you can kind of see what other people around us are buying. Now, of course, if you're just looking to see any particular set, you can come down to this next section and click on the set that you're looking for. So let's say, for instance, that you're looking for Throne of Eldraine cards. You can click right here, and it'll give you an entire list of everything that we have in stock. So that pulls the screen up, and it's all listed alphabetically. So let's say, for instance, that I want to click on the Ardenvale Tactician. That'll pull up a list of basically the information on the card, what conditions they're in, as well as some related cards to it, which you can see down here. And it also gives you, of course, the price and the quantity that we have. So let's say, for instance, that I just need a playset of these for whatever deck that I'm building. Choose the amount that you need, click Add to Cart, and as soon as that's done, it'll allow you to view cart and check out. Of course, you can click off of this and add more cards in, but we'll just go ahead and do this to show you how the cart system works. So it does go through TCG Player. You can choose to have them shipped to you if you aren't local, or to save some money, you can come in for an in-store pickup by clicking this button here. Once you've decided how you want it sent to you, you can click checkout, and then I will get your order and get it all set up and ready for you. If you choose in-store pickup, I'll have it ready to go as soon as possible, and you'll walk in and I'll hand it right to you and you'll be all set. It is set up to where you can pay either on this website or in-store, so you choose whichever that you're more comfortable with and get it taken care of. But alright guys, that's how the website works. Hopefully you can get some use out of it as you're trying to shore up those brand new standard decks, and hopefully we'll see you again in the store soon.